time. She's meeting my son. And Wesley, how old are you?
7.
7. She just kissed you. Look at her in the eyes. She likes looking in the eyes and kiss. Kiss. Yeah. See, she likes more kiss. Very gentle with children too. What a good girl. Oh, more kiss. Give her a kiss. It's okay. She's clean. Don't do that through the years. Look so ugly. What would you like? Would you like squeaky toy? What is this yucky bone? What is this? What is this bone here? Pull her little arms here. So cute. Yeah, belly rubbing time. Belly rubbing time.
I can't talk. Hang up the phone, woman. I'm just kidding. Shout out to Skyland and Grandma. Skyland and Grandma. Zoonie Bug sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S. I'm just kidding.
Okay, I-S-I-N-G. Kissing. Do you know that's kissing? Huh? Sit over here so we can see Heida. I don't want to see your butt, bud. You don't want to see your butt, bud. Yeah, say Heida. You had us with the feet tonight? Yeah? He's so cute. So little and he's narrow face. So beautiful. And her eyes are beautiful. She's got such beautiful eyes. So beautiful. Oh, your legs. There's a little brown in your legs and a little brindle there. Yeah? Very tiny. A shiny soft coat. Very shiny coat.
Gotta take off this guy and take off this guy. Let's put like a little pea shooter here. Get some money bags there. Come on, take care of it.
That doesn't look nice on you, huh?
You can do a nice pea. Be a nice
Dressed you up?
Be a nice pea.
Yeah, she put a pretty stuff on you.
Boy, you can be a nice pea.
Oh, it's too big. It's almost bigger than her. Oh, what a sweet girl. Come, Heida. You go walk. You want to walk?